Hi guys, so today I'm going to try out these new items that Diamond Press just brought to their site. These items were sent free of charge for my review and all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. And with Diamond Press, it's not the link so much as it is a code VCDP. It's a code that gives you 10% off their site, and that's the affiliate code for me. So you guys can use that if you would like. So by now you probably have seen Beth's presentation of some of the new items. I already have another video that came out prior to this one using some of the items too. But in this video, I'm just going to simply use the Deckle Slimline set and the little Halo Alpha, which is super cute. So I'll open this up in just a minute. I mean, basically you can see the alphabet through here, but let me take it out of here. I probably should have done that prior. I think what I'm going to do is just do a little word maybe on this with this in the background. And I'm thinking about using this Slimline set, the card set that Diamond Press had previously sent. And it is available also on their site. And I think I'm going to use some of the card bases and do some fun stuff with this. So I just want to quickly, I was kind of looking at it. I think I'm going to use these two. I'm going to use one of them for cutting into and the other as a background. So I'm going to use those. I might bring out some of these other things. I'm definitely going to use some of these little felt die cuts, but we'll talk about that in just a second. And then I'm going to use these guys for the background. So let me pull out the letters I'm thinking about using. I'm not sure I'm going to use the shadow. I think I'm just going to use the letters today, but we'll see. For what I have in my mind, I think all I need is that little topper letter part. But they do have the two parts, and what I love about this set is that it also comes with the numbers, which is really great. I measured them previously, but let me measure them again for you, and we'll measure the slim lines also. They are about 2 and 3/8 inches tall or so. And then the widths, you know, depending on the lettering, like 1.5. Yeah, something like that. Like this one's obviously wider because it's W. It's like 1 3/4. And on the Slimline set, the largest one, again, goes right to the 8.5 in the height and right to the 3.5 in the width. So if you're going to put that on top of a standard, well, what I would call a standard Slimline card, it's going to cover most of it. And you might see the card background peeking out behind here, you know, just a little bit. So to get started, I think what I'm going to do is take this card base and I'm going to cut into this as far as my letters, just so I can get the pink polka dot paper. If you have some other paper you want to use, you don't want to cut into this, you know, then do that. But I'm going to cut into this just to get my letters. So I think I'm going to do hello, just a simple little greeting. So I will take the H, and I'll still try to conserve my paper because I can keep using it for other things. The E, obviously our L twice, and then the O. And I'll just run these through just to get the letters with the pink polka dots, okay? I'm going to take, this is going to be my actual card base, and I kind of want to see which one of these guys I want to use. I'm not going to use the biggest one because I want the pattern to show. Like that one's good. You can see a little bit of the pattern in the background. This one makes it tighter. How big are our letters? You know what? I'll go ahead and use this one. Even though it's a little bit tighter, I think it'll work. So this one I'm just going to cut out of this from this white paper. So I'm going to run this through the marquee. I'll run these through and have our letters, and I'll be right back. So I just ran these through all together at once, and I just need to get the L cut again. So I just want to show that. Look how cute the O is. I love the design of that. All right, so I'm just going to pop this out and run through one more L. I left myself some room for that right here. I'll straighten it out. They are polka dots, but you know. Okay. I'll just run that back through. Okay, guys. So we have our letters. Actually, after looking at one of my L's, it didn't have as many polka dots as I would like, so I just found another little scrap area on this paper and cut another L, just so it would have a few more polka dots on there. So I'm going to glue that down, and then I'm going to think about how I want to do the my letters. Just putting glue on the back of this paper. I'm going to put some dimensionals on those because I want the letters to be popped up. So it's going to take me a second. I'm just going to cut some dimensional down. I do have a dimensional on a roll. I think maybe that's what I'll use because it's easier to cut little bits off of it. And so I'm just going to like get these guys ready because what I want to do is tuck my little flowers and things behind them. So I'm just going to cut little pieces like that. Whatever it is that'll work that's kind of hidden back there. Okay? So I'll take my time and cut little pieces, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I haven't stuck these down. I just put the little dimensionals on the back so they still have their carriers so I can kind of play, excuse me, so I can kind of play around with them. Tell you, these allergies. All right. And so I'm just going to kind of poke around this little kit here and see what I might want to put down in here. Maybe some little leaves. Oh, it's cute already. We'll put some little flowers. So let me look in here and see what it is I want to tuck in here and there, and it'll give me an idea of where I want to put my letters also. Okay, I really decked it out. So I think this is good. I'm going to glue these down where I put them. So they're kind of like in the background, so the letters are on top of them. So like with this one, I'll just move this for a second. And I'm just going to go take my time and just glue these down wherever it is that I want them to be. Something like that. I'll take an eye on this again. Yeah. And then this one's kind of just under this one. I'm just kind of leaving them free flowing, but if you want to glue them down completely, that's up to you. And again, just putting these back just so I can keep an eye on what I'm doing, where I'm putting these things. So it can be over a little bit more this way. Okay, so I'm just going to go through and just keep adjusting and placing, and I'll be right back. So I have everything glued down. I'm going to put these guys, and I do kind of like the way they look playful, but I'm still going to try to put them straight. So what happens is, this has 5 letters, and I always like to start with sticking down the middle, the center one, because that'll kind of let me know. And if you kind of use your grid behind you, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is right here. We need like 4 1/4 would be just the midline. So I'll kind of pay attention to that. I'm going to take the little backs off of these guys, which is always a little bit of a task. So anyhow, I'm going to take these off at some time. And just pay attention to where that middle one is, and then I'll go from there, just kind of centering and trying to see, you know, just try to get them as straight as I can by eyeballing it. I don't really do any kind of measurement. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Super quick and easy and just adorable. And just pick those little things off. I just picked the back off with this little tool so I can get the backs off of the dimensionals. And then in the kit, in the card kit, we also have these little jewels. I'm thinking about popping some of those in there, and it'll just make it that much extra. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Die & Press, for sending these items for review. Again, they're now available there on mydieandpress.com. And have a great night, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now.